And a happy halfway to Friday, everyone. Today, of course, is April the 28th, 2021, and it's Wednesday. Thanks for clicking play and checking out the weather with me today. My name is Jewel, and this, of course, is the Weather Channel of J7409. And here we have the NDFD map. This is going to go for today, right on through the 12Z run for Friday. We got a lot of rain, and more rain. We got some severe weather, just like what happened yesterday down in Texas. They had that large hail. They had that severe weather in all the places I showed you. More of that's coming up today, just in a little bit of different places. But for the general forecast, let's let this loop on through here. You can see how it's looping through. It's going to tell you, look at the rain, the severe stuff happening down in Texas. It's all because we got a slow-moving front, folks, and it extends from the northern mid-Atlantic westward to Michigan, then southwest to the central and southern plains. It's going to inch eastward off the northeast mid-Atlantic coast by Friday. Now, the southern part of the boundary looking like it's going to extend from the southeast to the central western Gulf Coast by Friday. Showers and thunderstorms are going to develop along and ahead of this front from the middle Mississippi Valley eastward to parts of the northeast. And it's looking like the severe thunderstorms are going to be around the lower Great Lakes area through Thursday morning. Now, the main hazards with these storms: frequent lightning, severe thunderstorms with the wind gusts, the hail, and tornadoes. It's a whole ball of wax. Additionally, we got showers and thunderstorms. They're going to develop along ahead of a front over parts of the central and southern plains. And you guys also, I'm going to show you all this in a moment, severe thunderstorms from parts of the southern plains through Thursday morning. Your main hazards, same thing: lightning, severe storms, high winds, hail, tornadoes. But for you guys, for the central and southern plains, your hail once again could be 2-inch hail in diameter, maybe a little bigger. Not saying it's going to be, but there is that severe chance for it. And this is for parts of south central Texas. South central Texas. So if you live in those areas, be on the outlook. If you have some hail, it could be very, very, very large. Now, looking like these storms are going to produce heavy rain from parts of the Ohio Valley to the southern plains, and many streams may flood because lots of rain's going to fall. You can see it right here on the map. Rain, and more rain. It could have numerous areas of flash flooding over these regions. Many streams may flood. They could affect larger rivers with this rain, could affect it. So please be aware through at least Friday morning. And while this system gets on out of here, it's going to dump a lot of rain over a lot of places, and some very, very heavy. Meanwhile, under the upper level low over the Four Corners region, rain and higher elevation snow will develop over parts of the central southern Rockies and southwest by today. Now, it's going to end by tomorrow morning. Additionally, under the upper low, the temperatures are going to be about 10 to 15 degrees below average for you guys today. It's going to be a little bit cooler, so some of this rain coming through could turn to snow. So just be aware of that and stay safe. When it comes to the severe weather, well, let's go check it out. Now, as we take a look for the most severe weather today, well, these severe storms, as you can see, they're possible across parts of the southern plains for this afternoon and evening. This morning should be okay for you guys. Other severe storms, they may develop in parts of the lower Great Lakes region, as you can see, and the stronger storms may produce large hail, as I've showed you in the NDFD map. I'll show you some more here, but this hail could be very large when we get down in the sections of Texas here. I'll show you in a moment. And tornadoes may develop in the southern plains too, and that tornado probability is at 5% down in Texas. And also just a little of Oklahoma here. 2% chance all the way up around the Great Lakes from Ohio, Pennsylvania, and western New York. 2% chance in southern Indiana, Illinois, and also Missouri. Do not rule this 2% chance out. We've had many tornadoes happen with a 2% chance this year, but the highest mark is in Texas and Oklahoma. Now, when it comes to the severe wind, Texas, Oklahoma, Ohio, Pennsylvania, and western New York, you're in the 15% chance of higher wind gusts with these thunderstorms when they come up in your area. So please be aware of this. If you have anything outside, this 15% could cause some downdraft winds, and they're very damaging. They do just as much damage as a tornado. They just don't go as far and last as long. So if you have anything outside, if you're in these 15% areas, I would pick it up and put it away into safety. And when it comes to the hail, right down in Texas, where it is black, significant. This is where this larger hail I've been talking about could occur, that could be 2 inches or bigger in diameter. That's a check of your weather today. If you're into the weather and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, click that bell, check off all. Make sure you get all my latest weather videos as I try to keep you up to date, keep you aware, and keep you safe of what might be headed your way. Also, if you've got any pictures you'd like to share, click Show More, scroll down. You'll find my email address along with my collaboration partner, Ann Dale at Homestead at the Colony. Folks, take care of yourselves if you're going to be in any of these areas where these storms may pop up today. It was a rough day for many yesterday, going to be another rough day, but if we make it on through closer to the end of the week here, hopefully things will ease up a little bit for everyone who's having these storms. Peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for everything you do for me, and have yourself a great day. Thanks for watching.